Hey guys, Perju here, and in this video I want to show you 5 of the top websites for 2022 which I recently found on awards.com, and the very first one is going to be this one here about the virtual expo in Dubai. Now this is an amazing experience. So as you can see, we're greeted with this map of the expo which we can literally drag around, and we can kind of like zoom in and zoom out. Almost it feels like a Figma file but in 3D. So this looks really cool. And if we go in a particular section and we click on it, you can see how this focuses on that particular area of the expo, and we have the informations on the right. So let's click on Enter Oasis, for example. And as you can see, we're going to be able to find more informations about this particular section. We're going to have all sorts of different areas that we can explore. On top of that, I really like the fact that they still are keeping a header, which is great for usability, and just makes the whole user experience easier in case you want to go in a specific area without having to go back to the map. So you have two options essentially, which really helps in the user experience. And again, I really like how this map is literally like we can also rotate around it. So I have no idea how they managed to create this effect. It's probably an integration with some third-party software. If anyone knows, feel free to drop a comment in the chat, but this is really stunning. Now let's move on to the very next website, which is villagemontreal.ca. And I really like how you can how this website is really like feels alive. It has a very particular look to it, and I like these transitions, which is subtle but still gives a depth to the whole user experience. And also the fact that as you can see, we're basically going from one gradient color to the other, which divides up the different sections of the experience. So really nice new website, which I wanted to give a shout out to. And now let's move on to the very next one, which is 20 years of Xbox. Damn, time flies. And I myself, I was never a big Xbox fan, but since I use the PlayStation, don't ask me why. I basically had a PlayStation laying around from my brother when I was young, so I guess I just stick to that. But no hate to Xbox, amazing console. And here we can see that this website is absolutely amazing. You can go and it almost feels like a game. They literally gamified this website experience. And as we're going over here, you can see that again, this 3D effects or a thing these days apparently, especially when it comes to these. Oh my god, I can literally, no way. I was not expecting it. I literally pressed spacebar by accident, and now I'm moving around the arrows. You can see that this is literally a game website experience. So how cool is that? Definitely something to consider if you want to create an amazing website experience. But damn, I have no idea how much this took and how many people were involved. This is definitely crazy. So amazing design. And now let's move on to the very next one, which is from the advanced.team website. And this is a digital design boutique with focus on aesthetics, as they say here. And check out this hover effect. Isn't this super cool? We have this amazing both the 3D effect of the letter and this amazing hover in the background. And as we scroll down, check out this amazing 3D effects that they're creating. This website is absolutely stunning, and I really like the flow. Just screams professional innovation and just modern designs. And as you can see over here, you're going to be able to view the portfolio. And yeah, this website overall, it's just amazing. I loved how that transition looked, and overall, just a really cool and unusual experience overall. So let's move on to the very last one, which is magnetism.fr. And again, creative agency. And as you can see, as we're scrolling, they have these really cool animations. They worked with some major brands like Richard Mille. I don't know if you're into watches, but that is literally one of the top watch brands in the world. Nespresso also, and all of these great clients. Now, I really like how they're pushing the limits, and they have a minimal design, but still with these touches like these hover effects that just makes it really cool. So overall, hope you enjoyed this video. You're going to be able to see these websites and view them in the link description, and I'll see you in the next video.